Hello everyone. This is like an offline video this time. But if you remember the Amiga CD32 that I started to fix, we got the picture out when we recap it, but now when we found that it has a really low audio quality. Well, and it didn't, if I remember correctly, even the left or right channel didn't, play at all really. So let me show you if it works now. Just using RCA. Whoa, come on. CD turned nicely. Oh yeah, so let's show you it the other way. If you remember, if my memory is correct, we didn't even hear the main screen jingle. This one. Okay, we can hear even that. Last time the CD music played all right, and you can see the audio is coming now from the back. That was a problem. If I took the audio from the front, from the headphone plug, it would be okay. Okay, now it started to spin. Okay, and we are using the same game as last time, Canon Photo. So you will hear music. I think we heard it last time because it comes from CD. But when we start to play the game, come on. There. I have the console open up, so I try to get the CD drive to be in the right position. Okay, Canon Photo is loading, please wait. But you'll hear soon. Yeah, we heard this song. If my memory this comes from, this is CD audio. And now we have better, but we have better, I think, better stereo sound. Much better stereo sound. But when we played the game, if you remember, we didn't even hear this song was, I think this song was low. Or we didn't hear the right. But yeah, when we played the game, I remember that the shooting sound effects were just awfully low. I would say now we hear it quite well. I'll show you after I show you what I did. Loading. This just reminds me that I have to play this game. Okay, as you can see, we didn't hear this if my memory is correct. But now it's loud and nice. So nice. So we could say that this system has been fixed. I was thinking, should I do this? I was trying to only do some measurements, but then I think, hey, come on, I have everything open here, so why not just do the rest, because it was surprisingly easy. Let me take it apart and show you. Now that sound plays in my head. Let me take the... Yeah. So basically I checked one mistake that I did last time was thinking that there is some problem with the audio. Oh, sorry, the video encoder chip, because the quality of the picture was a bit like let's say it hazy. But I have to say it was surprisingly nice. Surprisingly nice, like time to be wrong, because I forgot that I have my retrotink set to like a +7 gamma or something like that for like I think it was better for some less RGB, but with the like old system and you use RCA, you get to see all the haziness that is always there. So what did I do? Well, there has been some talking about this on the internets, and it's not. I'm not the only one that had the same problem. And the idea is that there is like where are those chips? Oops, that doesn't belong there anymore. There's basically like audio encoder chips, and they have like way to sense if the audio level is too high. If the audio level goes too high, it basically then like lowers this audio output so that your speakers don't blow up, and it uses like voltages to know that, and there is basically like a reference voltage that it checks and compares it to the voltage that the chip gets in from the input. And well, it seems that, let me see where they are. Here is one Q34 and Q34.1. I think these are like left and right audio channels, and these are basically like just transistors. And the problem is that the idea of these is also like to keep if the voltage is in the right amount, it doesn't let it pass to the transistor. And it seems the other one, or both, at least the other one was broken, I know. So I just removed the old one, installed the new ones, papa. So it meant that where is it? Goddamn there. Which meant that the audio encoder chips get the right voltage and doesn't start to lower the audio levels. If I'm sure, it means basically like yeah, now I remember. Basically these two also affect just the reference voltage especially, and that makes the system understand that there is too high audio levels even though they are not. But yeah, Amiga CD32 is now fixed. Nice. Only thing I have to do, find some kind of double-sided tape and glue this back in, and then I have a extra Amiga CD32. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Keep it or sell it. Maybe if I can trade it, because I will always need new stuff for my collection. But hey, thank you all. This was like this kind of like an offline update on what has happened with this system. The other one, I still have the 3DO that we started to fix, and I still need to do some measurements for that. I believe that it may need some more, because I have a bad feeling that the problem could be the clock. So I had to use some oscilloscope to check if the hertz are right. But hey, thank you all. We will see you next time. Good night.